Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this Betty Crocker Suddenly Pasta Salad. Before we get into this recipe, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new recipes. To the review. This pasta salad comes with directions as well as a chicken pasta salad recipe on the back. Instead of making a plain pasta salad, I'm going to do a crab pasta salad, so I'm going to use some imitation crab meat. Next I have some olive oil, a lemon for some lemon juice, some lemon pepper seasoning. I have 4 green onions that I have washed. Instead of using a knife, I'm using this special pair of kitchen scissors to finely chop these onions.
I should go or stay, so I wait here instead. I tried picking up all the pieces.
Once I'm done, I'm going to set aside my chopped green onions. Moving on to the imitation crab meat, I'm only going to use about a handful. I'm cutting those pieces of crab meat into smaller pieces.
Some things are easier said than done, especially when I knew that you were the one. I gave you my all to watch us fall, and it doesn't change a thing. Our plans were put on terminal hold, just going through the motions as the story unfolded. There's not much more we can do or say. Everything stays the same. I tried picking up all the pieces to find where we went wrong.
I'm cutting a 1/4 piece of lemon. I'm squeezing my lemon over my pieces of crab, and I'm using my hand as a strainer from the seeds and the pulp. I'm adding my finely chopped green onions.
Our train has gone. Our train has gone.
I'm mixing my ingredients together. I'm lightly sprinkling some lemon pepper seasoning. I'm mixing all my ingredients together, then I'm going to refrigerate it and move on to the next step. In the box of Suddenly Pasta, it comes with 1 pack of mixed pasta as well as 1 pack of seasoning mix. About 4 cups of water. I'm adding the pack of pasta to the boiling water as well as about a 1/4 cup of plain pasta. I'm giving it a quick stir and I'm going to allow it to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. As you can see, it came with dry tomatoes. The pasta is already semi-soft and not too mushy. Colander to drain the water from the pasta. Next, I'm spraying some cool water and I'm allowing it to drain the excess water. Pasta is draining. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cold water to a bowl. Next, I'm adding 2 tables of olive oil, but you can also use vegetable oil. So for my last ingredient, I'm adding my pack of seasoning mix. So these are the ingredients for the salad dressing. I'm mixing all my ingredients together until the seasoning mix is completely dissolved. So let's make this crab pasta salad. The first thing I'm doing is adding my drained pasta to a clean bowl. I'm using a clean spoon to loosen up my pasta. Next, I'm adding the salad dressing, and as you can see, The seasoning mix has completely dissolved. I'm using a spoon to spread the salad dressing evenly throughout the pasta. Next, I'm adding the chilled crabs. I'm mixing all my ingredients together and I'm making sure to spread the crabs evenly throughout the salad. So guys, I decided at the last minute to mix in a quarter piece of chopped onion. Once I'm done mixing, I'm going to place it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to eat it. So guys, my final thoughts on this suddenly Betty Crocker pasta salad is it's very affordable. You can find it at your local grocery store or the Dollar Tree. It doesn't require too many ingredients and it is beginner friendly. As far as the taste, I give it a thumbs up. It tastes even better after I put my own twist to it with some imitation crab meat. So guys, let me know in the comments below what is your favorite pasta salad. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this review. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.